Space did a really good pattern. I really love this pattern. It's doing a trend pattern squeeze, and it's also doing ascending triangle. You can see here it went up, down, sideways, and it's going to go up again. I bought my first batch on Space. I bought a $17 call. I bought half my position right here on the bounce, right around 1661, and then I bought my second position on here. So I bought 3 contracts for a $17 call. We're expiring this Friday on June 12th at about $82, and then I bought the other 3 right around here at 1667, and I bought those right around 79. So my average price is $80 on the up, down. So as you can see on the portfolio, average price Space is $80. I'm expecting to day trade these on these 6 contracts. So they're up $5, $5 times 6, so I'm up $30 on there. Now, what I'm hoping that's going to happen is because the yellow line just crossed purple line on the 1 hour, as soon as this yellow and this purple go close to this pink line, it's going to skyrocket. I'm going to sell everything, and I'm expecting today, or not expecting, I'm hoping today that it's going to go to 1768. There's a good chance that it can go to 18. 1768 is going to be where my exit is. That's going to be my 2x. So I'm going to double my money on Space. And then for this other 1650, I'll probably let it ride out just because it has a couple more, has another week on it. However, if everything goes to 18, I'm going to sell everything. So right around 1768, I'm going to sell half my position on Space right here, take my 2x, and I'll let the other half ride up to pretty close to 18 and then sell the other half. I'm expecting to get a 2x and maybe a 3x, and that's going to help lock in my profits. Now, obviously, I could wait and take the chance and just get 3x on the whole thing, which would be really freaking nice. Pretty much going in 500 in on it. Getting a 3x would be 1.5 grand, but I want to be safe. I rather take the 1.2 grand rather than get the 1.5 grand because that's going to be cash on hand. That way, for the rest of the week, I can continue to make some really big gains. You're going to see the account skyrocket, but I will give you guys an update as far as what happens throughout the day. Looking at Pfizer, I have that $36.50 call and $36 call. Pfizer has been doing something a little weird. It's been going sideways for a very long time. My contracts expire this weekend on Friday. Now, there is a JP Morgan conference tomorrow. Not JP Morgan, there's a Goldman Sachs healthcare investors conference, which Pfizer is attending. Usually when these healthcare companies attend these conferences, there's usually a really big rally right into them, or there's a really big rally right after them. So in this case, since I see all these red dots on Pfizer, I'm expecting that there's a big amount of pausing on the buying and selling, and having a big catalyst like that, usually, in most cases, the odds of the catalyst rocketing the stock is very high. So I'm actually really excited to see what's going to happen on Pfizer. Drawing this Fibonacci on Pfizer, I'm going to see right here. There's a good chance, if it retraces a vertical retracement, it'll probably go to 38. I have the 36 and 36.50 call, but I'm probably going to exit pretty close to 37, 37.50. That's going to be 2-3x on my positions. Now, if it does rocket up to 38 on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, obviously I'm going to take the 3x. So looking at my positions here, I think Pfizer, all in all, this was like 50, so about 200. And then this is like another 50, so 300. So if I take 3x on it, that's going to be right around $900. So $900 here, potentially. $1,500 here, potentially. So I want to say, there's a good chance that this week I'll probably close pretty close to 3 grand. But, time is going to tell. We'll see what happens. Definitely very excited to show you guys, what the portfolio is going to look like by the end of the week. If you guys like what you've seen, if you guys learn anything, stay tuned. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and also if you're interested in learning more and you want to be a part of the inner circle, before I post these live stream recordings, then definitely join the Options and Traders Network. It's www.optionsandtraders.com. And once you join that network, pretty much just subscribe for the newsletters. And if you want to be a part of the inner circle, you're going to have to let me know why you want to be a part of the inner circle. Just because I don't accept anyone into the inner circle, I want people who are actually coachable, people I can show my different techniques, and everyone who's a part of the inner circle, they know how to use every technical indicator that I have. They have a relative momentum index, they have TTM squeezed down, they got Fibonacci, they got ascending triangles, they have gravitational theory. And the reason why I want them to know everything that I know is because they help me do scams. So together as a community, we're building our own deal flow, and with that deal flow, we're able to branch out and give each other really good tips and really good deals where we can all make money together. So once again, that's the Options and Traders Network, www.optionsandtraders.com.